Welcome to an introduction of the Southwire M300P Professional VDV Cable Mapper, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The M300P tests wiring on voice, data, and video cables in a few simple steps. To test a twisted pair cable, plug one end of the cable into the tester. Use the RJ11 port for phone cables and the RJ45 port for data cables. Remove the remote terminator from the bottom of the tester and plug the other end of the cable into the appropriate port. Use a known good patch cable when connecting the terminator to a wall jack or patch panel. Set the rotary switch to the type of cable being tested and observe the results on the display. If the cable is wired correctly, the connector pins shown on the top and bottom row of the numbers will agree and pass will appear on the display. If the cable is faulty, the connector pins with miswires will flash and an indicator describing the type of fault will appear. A blank space on the bottom row indicates connector pins that have open connections, and a dark mark indicates pins with shorts. The M300P includes 5 numbered remotes for mapping coax and data cables. Plug the remotes into the locations being mapped. At the distribution point, connect the cables to the tester to map each run. Expansion kits are available for identifying up to 16 cables at a time. The M300P can also be used as a tone generator for tracing cables in wiring closets and distribution panels. The M300P works in conjunction with all analog amplifier probes, such as the Southwire T120AP. The user can select which wires the tone is sent through, making it easier to locate the cable in wiring closets or distribution panels. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.